Hi guys, this is Mankpal from Gossipfunda and today I'm going to teach you how you can change your snooze time of your iPhone. So first things first, what is the snooze time of iPhone? Snooze time is the time period between the alarm clocks which help you in waking up. The timing between your alarms is 9 minutes exactly. Apple tries to make sure that you wake up in the morning. It helps you by making sure that you have the snooze time of your iPhone activated. You may find it annoying and somewhat disruptive at times. So how can you turn it off? You may want your own type of snooze time on your iPhone. Don't worry, in this video we will show you how you can change the snooze time of your iPhone to make them shorter or lengthen it. So let's get into it. So another thing before we start to change our snooze time of our iPhones, we need to understand that there is no direct method to change snooze time of your iPhone. The only things that we can do is shut them off. Don't worry, there are other methods that we can use to make sure that the snooze time does not annoy us. So let's get started, shall we? Go to the alarm clock section of your iPhone. Open it, set to the alarms. You can check that there are multiple alarms that you want to set. Click on any alarm that you want to set. You will find that there is a snooze button with a toggle beside it. Shut this toggle off. After shutting this toggle off, you can save the alarm for this timing. Now, how can you shorten or lengthen your timings of your snooze time? For example, maybe you want to shorten your time period of the snooze time. Basic time period of the snooze time is 9 minutes. So let's shorten it to 5 minutes, shall we? The last alarm we set was 12 a.m. Let's set one to 5 a.m. Make sure that you turn the snooze time off of this one also. See, now it's done. The snooze time of your iPhone has been shortened. Similarly, if you want to increase the snooze time of your iPhone, you can do this by clicking the snooze time off, making the time period more than 10 periods. For example, let's set the time period for 10 minutes after the work. For example, the last one was 5 minutes, so we will set one to 20 minutes. See, the snooze time is now increased. This way, the alarms will be played only when you want them to. Now, this is not the only way to change your snooze time of your iPhone. You can do this by using third-party apps and by downloading them from the App Store. There are apps like Alarmy and Loudest. Also, there is the Alarm Clock for Me app. You can use all these apps to make sure that the snooze time of your iPhone does not disturb you anymore. I hope you liked this video. Make sure that you check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content and tips and tricks. If you liked our video, make sure that you like this video, comment on our video for more queries, and share this video to your friends. Thank you guys. This is Mayanpal signing out.